What's up, guys? Did you know that there are lots of amazing, little known secret businesses that you could run and be very highly profitable in 2022? In today's video, I want to reveal to you one of the top profitable businesses that you should really get into next year, 2022. Welcome to my channel, Ask Cheche. Here I talk about online business, income hacks, digital marketing, NFTs, and the metaverse. Please like this video and subscribe for more videos like this one. Let's dive in. In the year 2020, I had a huge challenge. I lost a ton of money in a business, in a failed business. I was in a lot of debt and I was wondering what to do. I was almost falling into depression, and that was the point where I came into contact with some of these business models. The first was affiliate marketing, and when I got into it, I was able to get a change in my life through that. Now, this is not about affiliate marketing. This is something completely and totally different from affiliate marketing. So you really want to listen and take your notes. This highly profitable business is simple. It's selling info products. Don't tell, but this could be just about anything. It could be about how to get better grades. It could be about how to drive. It could be about lots and lots of things. I once told my sister, who is very much into beauty products, that she should create an info product telling people how she makes natural face cleaning lotions and creams. If you look online, there are lots of info products around you, and it could be just about anything. It could be on marriage, relationships. It could be about tons and tons of stuff. And if you just looked, you could find what would suit you and people you want to sell to. Now, there are a few things to note. One, this info product must not be based on your personal experience. Now, I have a friend who created an info product, but that was not based on his personal experience. It was based on someone else's experience. My friend took this information and converted it into an ebook on how to date and has been selling tons of copies. Secondly, the info product you create must solve a problem. It must solve a problem. The fact that people will pay for it is because they will find it a useful solution to a challenge that they are facing. So make sure that it's a very, very valuable product you're making and distributing. Now, there are about 5 or more key and big info product niches that you could look at. The first is making money online. Second is health. We have sex, relationships, marriage. Now, any info product you create around this that solves the problem and is very valuable is almost going to sell so much. And this is because these are the key places that people tend to have challenges in life. People have itches that these are the key areas people have problems that they are willing to spend money to take care of. So if you can scratch their itch with your product, they will certainly buy from you. Now, there are 3 steps or about 4 steps to get this done. 1, find a problem that you want to solve. Secondly, you need to decide on the topic of what you want to create an info product about. 3, you need to create the actual product. And finally, you need to create a system to market these info products and get it to the hands of people who will exchange it for money. There are several ways that you could package and sell your info products. It could be as simple ebooks or checklists or quizzes. It could be a coaching program. It could be a course. It could be an audio file. There are tons and tons of ways to brand and package your products. Now, a friend of mine has created a lovely program about how you could get this done. He wants to hold your hand and lead you to do this. If you're interested in that, please click the link in the comment section below that has been pinned and contact me, and I will connect you to him. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.